let me continue with the types of uh, tracking in augmented reality. The first one is object tracking, the second one is image tracking, and the third one is positional tracking. So let me explain about object tracking. Object tracking is nothing but, say for example, if you have any object in front of you, like toys, or it can be monuments, or any object, or any tool, or any household supplies. So these things, how we can track these things into this AR device. So it can be mapped with the AR targets, but are not limited to these things. Then the next is scene tracking. Scene tracking, I have already told you. If you are tracking particular scene, we have a step-by-step instruction is there, or annotations is there, and if you want to capture some videos where you can apply some digital elements, so that is also possible. So that is scene tracking. So this is example of monument object tracking. So a man who is holding the tab, he is just taking the picture of the monument or a statue, I can say, and he can add some digital or graphics purpose, or any kind of video, or any kind of filtration he can do. So this is exactly called as augmented reality. The next is image tracking. Image tracking, if you see here, you have some advanced computer vision technology to detect and augment the images. That is, the image tracking relies on this particular vision technology only. And you have one thing called as AR trigger, which is also known as image targets. Mainly it is used for the developers. He has to first predetermine which images they would like to use as AR triggers. So this is the example for image tracking. And the next is multiple image recognition and tracking. Why this, where it has be used is, it is actually used simultaneously for recognizing and track several different or identical image targets. It can be static, or it can be interactive, being possible to adjust distance and transformation. The next is, this is how we can track the multiple image which is of same identical objects. So if you see in the picture, 4 objects has been ticked, there a tick mark, and in the last 2 objects an into mark. Whether where the object is not same, which where I can say like it is not identical. Okay. The next is extended recognition. This is mainly used in the pipelines, underground pipelines and all. If you want to see in depth, you can use this extended recognition. Can also be used for displaying augmented instructions and path guides, etc. For underground construction works or pipeline works, this extended recognition can be used. So this is called as extended tracking, where it shows the augmentations beyond the target. And augmented reality interaction, we need 3 things: the user interface, and the virtual content. Here this diagram shows the difference between virtual reality and augmented reality. So I already told in the first video, like what is the main difference between virtual and augmented is. Augmented, you are in the real world and you are just adding some filtrations or add-ons to the real world. Say for example, if you are going some if you want to buy something in an ideal store where you can get everything, say for example, if I am going to buy a sofa set for my home, sitting at home I can easily imagine and place my sofa from here itself, from home itself, and where to keep that sofa in our home, that place can easily be identified, and you can set your sofa before buying it itself. So that is the advantage of using augmented reality. Whereas virtual reality is nothing but you will not be in the you will be in the real world, but you will be in an illusion, like you are presenting in some other world, virtual world. So this is the major difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. So thank you. So in the upcoming videos we will be seeing some interesting topics related to AR. Thank you.